What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Bakerytoken, which has pumped up just about 60% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 39 cents. So we're going to be looking at why is it pumping so much? Is this a crypto to be investing into? If so, when is the best time to invest into it? Because as you guys can see, it's pumped up quite a bit since about October time, going from about 11 cents all the way up to nearly hitting 40 cents, guys. So we're going to be going through its predictions going into 2024. What can we expect? How high is it likely to go? And is it even a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as you guys can see, we've got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, giving us the average value of Bakerytoken, which is here in purple at 25 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at over 38 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Bakerytoken? Over the next 12 to 14 hours, it is likely to maintain its value around 39 to 40 cents, guys. Somewhere around that price range is where it's likely to trade at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, in between that time, it is likely to pump up over 40 cents in target and then potentially slowly drop back down just below 40 cents by the end of the day today. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to, well, slightly be more on the positive side, but more or less neutral, because it is going to be very close to where it is trading at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The orange line and the blue line are both flat out going in a straight line. They're not looking bullish or bearish. So an overall fluctuation is again expected from Bakerytoken over the next 7 to 8 days. However, that is not what I'm expecting. Over the next week or so, I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a dip down below 35 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. The reason for that is right now it is overvalued due to the fact of how much is gained over the last couple of days and weeks as well. As you guys can see, over the month it's gone up over 160%. So yes, it is overvalued. It needs to take a little bit of a step back over the coming days, dropping just below 35 cents is what I'm expecting by mid next week. But again, do expect both green and red days up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes, guys, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line in this case are both looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are also looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place earlier today and yesterday as well. And over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so February 2024, I'm expecting Bakerytoken to have dropped back down below 25 cents is what I'm expecting. Yes, it may look like a major drop. However, it does need to go for a price correction. And again, the crypto market over the last week, you would have seen, has hit red days I did predict a price correction to take place before Christmas in the crypto market, and that is what happened. And Bakerytoken also did drop back down a little bit as well over the last week or so. However, the crypto is likely to go for another price correction, because ever since the correction is pumped up quite a bit. So Q1 of 2024, it should have dropped back down below 25 cents is what I'm expecting. But if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major pump or a bull run or even a crash, anything that can have an impact on the value of Bakerytoken, either in a positive or negative direction, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are getting closer and closer to the resistance target here of 49 cents. So we're not too far away, but in Q1, Q2 of 2024, I am expecting the crypto to be resisting at the resistance target and potentially breaking out over the 50 cents target, hitting about 60 cents in Q2 of 2024 is what I'm expecting. So there's still quite a long time for it to take place, but we are going to have to take a slow and steady increase in value. It's going to have to be sustainable, because at the moment it's pumped up way too much over the last 3-4 days. So it has to drop back down and then slowly and steadily gain value up into the green zone over the next 5 to 6 months. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 460% in the last 24 hours, making it $327 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. We've seen a lot more people trading the crypto in the last 24 hours, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. It has been getting a lot of attention. Even according to Binance, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So we're seeing a lot more people buying the crypto, and also people selling it, seeing their profits and selling the cryptos as well. So comment down below, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Bakerytoken to hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Personally, the dollar mark is possible towards the end of next year is what I'm expecting. I know it's quite a long time for it to go from 40 cents to the dollar mark. However, because of the drop that I'm expecting from then onwards, it is going to have to go at a slow and steady pace. So I am taking into consideration the dips in between as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bakerytoken, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.